Hi, my name is Renee, and welcome to Lilac Oaks Farm. Today on the farm, we will be baking breads, some muffins, and a cake. But we need to go harvest some of our star ingredient, which is zucchini. Who doesn't have a ton of zucchini? I know a lot of the farmers market does, the grocery stores do. There's a ton. This year, we have like the mother load of zucchini. So, let's go harvest. Fun fact or food for thought? You tell me in the comments down below. The first record of zucchini in the United States dated back to the early 1920s. It was almost certainly taken to America by Italian immigrants and probably cultivated in California. The recipe for Lilac Oaks' very own zucchini bread goes 1 cup oil, 4 duck eggs, preferably. Makes your bread light and fluffy. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cups sugar. The ingredients that need to be sifted together: 3.5 cups flour, a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of cloves, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. The ingredients that need to be folded in: 2 cups of zucchini, and I am using a cup of dark chocolate chips. My husband does not like nuts in any bread, muffin, or anything, so you can use a cup of nuts, you can use some raisins, whatever you would like to throw in. Our zucchini bread is on the little spicier side. It's not hot, it's just got a little more spice in it. Let's get baking. Before we begin to make our bread, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we need to grease our pans. I am using a 9x5. 2 of them. Lilac Oaks Farm is all about homesteading and farming related things. What can you do with what you grow? There is food preservation, there's baking, cooking, and growing your own food, whether it's plant or animal. We are all about sharing and showing what you can do with what you grow. So hit that like button and help us grow too. Fun fact or food for thought number 2. The health benefits of zucchini include improved digestion. It slows down aging. I hope so. I eat a lot of it. Lowers blood sugar levels. Supports healthy circulation and a healthy heart. Improves eye health. Boosts energy. Benefits weight loss. Improves thyroid and adrenal functions. And protects against oxidation and inflammation. So now they're going to go in the oven, which has been set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Fun fact or food for thought 3. Did you know you can't eat zucchini blossoms? The most popular way to prepare them is fried or stuffed. I've never tried them. I've never even heard that they were edible. Has anyone else? I hear they're popular down in Pennsylvania. Let me know in the comments down below. Nothing like a warm piece of zucchini bread smothered in butter. There are several different ways of preserving zucchini, but I find the baked goods to be the tastiest. If you would like to see how I made blueberry buckle, you can click here and I will see you over there.